Weather Authority record rainfall over the last several weeks. Farmers and local leaders urging the state to take further action for water storage to offset the drought. Arette Rodriguez with the story.
While farmers appreciate the much-needed rain, they say it is a short-term solution to a long-term problem.
2020 to 2022 was the driest three-year period in California history. And so even if we do find ourselves potentially coming out of the drought this year, the fact is that we still need to start planning for the next drought that we know is just around the corner.
Jacobson says that many of California's water storage facilities are outdated, including the Friant Dam at Millerton Lake, which was built in 1942. Local reservoirs like the Friant Dam were designed to handle seasonal rainfall and collect water as snow melts in the Sierra Nevadas over the spring.
Problematic because these reservoirs were not designed to have all that water come at one time. It was designed for the gradual melting over the spring and summer months, and so we definitely need more above ground storage.
A group of California lawmakers gathered outside of Sacramento last week to call out state leadership for failing to invest in water storage.
Gavin, if you're listening, I'll work with you, bro. I will stand next to you, side by side in partnership, and make water happen for this state. More than happy to do that.
During Governor Newsom's recent visit to Merced to assess the damage in the county, he addressed his administration's efforts to store water throughout the state.
In terms of making sure that we capture these flood flows and that we're doing more to restore the aquifers and to replenish these deficits that obviously are pretty pronounced here in the valley.
While leaders debate the best course of action to store rainwater, people all across California are preparing to weather the next storm. In Fresno, Arette Rodriguez, KC24, local news that matters.
In the